Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your partner monetization policies on Instagram application. So first of all, open your mobile phone and open your Instagram. Now as you can see in your Instagram, you need to get monetized for your partner policies. Now open your Google Chrome and search Instagram partner monetization policies. Now you can't exactly fix it on your own, so you have to read all these policies to fix it yourself. As you can see with these help center of the Instagram, then complete all these forms and read all these advice and terms, then you can fix the problem of getting Instagram partner monetization policies. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.